having a walk here at the crowded Maya Bay. And it's supposed to be off-season. It's October, November, the start of summer here in Phuket. But still, you have to see the view here. There's speedboat somewhere there. And me, the Macho Mike. Woohoo!
Sandy! Video! Jun! Lubog! Video! 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 Woohoo! Oh wow! Oh, lalim na! Video to Jun ha, video ha. Taka na, lalim agad ha. Lalim oh.